we have a ripe banana and I don't want to waste it, so I decided to make banana bread. Okay, it's all ready and I'm done mixing, and next is I'm gonna put this in here. We'll check if it will fit. Okay, already pour it in here. I didn't show it to you because it's hard for me to show while working and I don't have my tripod right now. By the way, we'll put this and bake for 350 the Fahrenheit for 55 to 60 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. We will going to bake this for 350 F for 55 to 60 minutes, pretty much 1 hour. Okay, okay. Set it for timer. 60 minutes, 1 hour. There. Okay, I forgot to take a video again. It's been like, I baked that few hours ago. Look, it's really soft and I almost eat all of this small slice in here. A loaf. Okay. Thank you. Mga unta. I don't want I don't want to waste our banana. That's why I bake it. Tamis guys siya. Bisag gamay ra akong gibutang na sugar. Bye-bye.